Winifred Beach is where our journey takes us today. Located in Ferry Hills, 12 miles east of Port Antonio. And this is one of the few remaining public beach here in Portland. Scores of beaches have been taken over by the hotel or the tourist industry all across the island, shutting off access to the Jamaican public. Even this beach is under threat. Sadly to say, we don't have a government looking out for the ordinary Jamaican. And who knows how long we'll be coming here. It's early in the morning and there's not much people here right now. It can be crowded at times, especially during the holidays when lots of people from across the island descend on this beach. I have been coming here for many years and have noticed the changes with the rising water level as the sea continues to eat away the shoreline. This has caused some of the vendors who sells on the beach to move their building away from the advancing sea. There's even a small stream flowing on this property before it makes its exit to the sea. It is really a beautiful place, a nice place to hang out. The workers does a great job in keeping the place clean, especially with the seagrass is forever invading the shore.